The Thermal Grip MVA Masonry Veneer Anchor from TRUFAST solves the challenge of thermal bridging and water or air penetration of the building envelope, while also providing masons' labor and cost savings with efficient insulation and design. The Thermal Grip brick tie washer attaches and seals at the face of the insulation, while the MVA wedge seal feature seals the weather or air barrier penetration behind the insulation. The MVA can be installed fully assembled, saving your masons time and money, and the wire tie allows for vertical adjustability. Available for insulation and sheathing assemblies 1 inch to 4 inches thick over steel stud, wood stud, or masonry substrates, along with various wire tie lengths for all common air gaps. No special chuck adapters are required, as T-star bits are included in every box. For inquiries or to explore our other building envelope fastening solutions, give us a call or visit our website at trufast.com.